call on you, he may even call on me. Anything can happen. Amanda breaks the glum silence by whistling a bar or two of the national anthem. Magnus: whatever happens, it will be a great relief to us to speak out quite frankly about one another in public. अगर आपने कभी लोकसभा में या किसी भी पार्लियामेंट हाउस में कोई सेशन देखा हो, कई बार इतनी जूतम फेंकी होती है, एक दूसरे को गालियाँ देते हैं, कुर्सियाँ उछालते हैं. It's bad. So he says we will be free to speak whatever is on our mind to one another, that too in public. You have never been able to tell the British people what you really think of me. That is, you have never been able to be frank to the public. No real criticism of the king is possible because I was above you. You could never really criticize me. I have never been able to speak my mind as to your various capacities and characters. On the other hand, I have never been able to criticize you freely. Why? Because my position as king forbade me to be openly critical of you. We were both tied. In other words, आप लोग मेरी बुराई कर सकते थे या आलोचना कर सकते थे. क्रिटिसिज्म मीन्स आलोचना. और ना ही मैं. हम दोनों बंधे हुए थे. All that reserve, that tedious affectation यानी कि pretense, दिखावा करना, that unwholesome concealment will end. Unwholesome means unattractive and concealment means hiding one's feelings. It will come to an end. I hope you look forward to our new footing as pleasurably as I do. The new footing means position. I hope you look forward to our new position means me as happily as I do. That is, I am Lysistrata. I am delighted, sir. I am very happy, sir. You will fight breakages for me. Why? Because you will successfully fight against Breakages Limited. Amanda: it will be awful fun. Bonages: now Mr. Prime Minister, we are waiting for you. What have you to say about it? अब आपको क्या कहना है? Proteus: rising and speaking slowly with his brows deeply knitted means frowning, कि चेहरे पर सलवटें हैं. Has your Majesty got that ultimatum on you? क्या वो कागज़ आपके पास है? Ultimatum जो लिखकर इन लोगों ने दिया था. Magnus produces it from its pocket and presents it to him. यानी कि वो निकाल के, किंग निकाल के Proteus को दे देते हैं. Proteus, with measured emphasis, after tearing the paper up into 4 pieces at 2 deliberate strokes and throwing the pieces away. बहुत slowly, deliberately वो उस कागज़ को 4 टुकड़ों में फाड़ देते हैं. There is not going to be any abdication. आप अपनी राजगद्दी नहीं त्यागेंगे. You will not leave your throne. There is not going to be any general election. यानी कि status quo will be maintained. यथा स्थिति बरकरार रहेगी. The term in English is status quo. STATUS, status, QUO, quo. यानी कि no change in the situation. कोई general election नहीं होगा. There is not going to be any ultimatum. We go on as before. The crisis is a washout. We go on as before means we continue as before. The cabinet stands. I am still Prime Minister. You are still King, and all the others are still ministers of their various departments. The crisis is a failure. Washout means failure. To the king with deadly concentration. एक टक घूरते हैं. And he says, I will never forgive you for this. इसके लिए मैं आपको कभी माफ़ नहीं करूँगा. यू स्टोल योर एस ऑफ ट्रम्प्स फ्रॉम द हैंड आई प्लेड दिस मॉर्निंग. ना ये जो टर्म है एस ऑफ ट्रम्प्स एट्सेट्रा, ये ताश, अगर आपने कभी खेली है ताश के पत्ते तो हिंदी में कहते हैं रंग. जिसके हाथ में सबसे एक ही रंग के सबसे ज़्यादा पत्ते होते हैं वो रंग बोलता है. यानी कि मेरे हाथ में सारे पत्ते थे, रंग मेरे पास था और आपने मेरे ही हाथ से उसको चुरा लिया है. यू स्टोल योर एस ऑफ ट्रम्प्स फ्रॉम द हैंड आई प्लेड दिस मॉर्निंग. ही टेक्स हिज हैट फ्रॉम द बैलुस्ट्रेड एंड गोज अवे थ्रू द पार्क. वहाँ से चले जाते हैं. बर्नार्ड इज राइजिंग. That was very deplorable exhibition of temper on the part of Prime Minister, sir. Deplorable means very bad, very hateful. Prime Minister को आपके सामने इस तरीके से नहीं बात करनी चाहिए थी. It was not the gesture of a strong man. I will remonstrate with him. I will scold him. You may depend upon me. मैं उनको डांटूंगा ऐसा करने के लिए. He takes his hat and follows Proteus in a serious and dignified manner. Nicobar rising. Well, I shall not say what I think. मैं नहीं बताने वाला हूँ कि मैं इसके बारे में क्या सोच रहा हूँ. He is taking his hat when the king addresses him. निकोबार ने कहा था कि you cannot upset the apple cart. So कहते हैं so I have not upset the apple cart after all, Mr. निकोबार. यानी कि मैंने स्थिति को बिगड़ने नहीं दिया है. निकोबार. यू कैन अपसेट इट एज सुन एज यू लाइक फॉर ऑल आई केयर. दैट इज़, मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, आपको जो इच्छा है आप कीजिएगा. क्यों? आई एम गोइंग आउट ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स. ही इज़ फेड अप, सो ही प्लान्स टू रिज़ाइन. पॉलिटिक्स इज़ अ मग्स गेम. मग्स गेम मीन्स इट्स अ डर्टी गेम. इट इज़ a fool's game. People cheat, एक दूसरे को धोखा देते हैं. He goes. Crassius rising reluctantly and taking his hat. If Nick goes, I shall have to go too. अगर वो जाते हैं, निक छोड़ता है, निकोबार छोड़ता है, तो मुझे भी जाना पड़ेगा. So Magnus, can you really tear yourself away from politics? Tear yourself away means keep away. क्या आप politics छोड़ पाओगे? So Crassius, only to glad to be well out of them if breakages will let me. यानी कि अगर breakages मुझे छोड़ने दे तो मैं यहाँ से भागना चाहता हूँ. They shoved me into it. Shoved का बेसिक मतलब होता है pushed me into it. They forced me into politics. जानबूझकर उन्होंने मुझे पॉलिटिक्स में डाला ताकि मेरे ज़रिए वो अपना काम निकाल सकें. And I dare say they will find another job for me. और अगर मैंने पॉलिटिक्स छोड़ भी दी तो मुझे तो कोई और काम वो दे ही देंगे करने के लिए, क्योंकि रिश्तेदारी है. दे आर रिलेटेड. Pliny cheerful to the last as he too goes for his hat. Well, I am glad nothing has happened. You know, sir, nothing ever really does happen in the cabinet. सच्चाई ये है कि यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं होता है. गोल गोल घूम के रह जाते हैं. We go around in circles, say this, say that, but ultimately do nothing. Never mind their bit of temper. They will feed out of your hand tomorrow. That is, they will do exactly as you want them to. Tomorrow everything will be fine. Balbus after taking his hat. Now that they are all gone, I don't mind saying that if anything should ever happen to the throne and your majesty should become a president with a cabinet to pick, you might easily find a worse home secretary than me with all my faults. यानी कि दूसरे शब्दों में I will always support you. You can depend upon me. That is, अगर आपने कभी थ्रोन एक्चुअली में छोड़ा और आपने इस कंट्री को एक डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री बना दिया जिसके आप प्रेसिडेंट बन गए, and if you are looking for a home secretary, then you can depend upon me. I will always support you. Magnus. I shall bear it in mind. Means I will remember. By the way, if you should happen to overtake the Prime Minister, will you be so good as to remind him that we quite forgot to settle that little affair of the proposal of America to annex the British Commonwealth? कि अगर आपको प्राइम मिनिस्टर मिले तो उनको याद दिलाइएगा कि वो जो अमेरिका कोशिश कर रहा था टू अनेक्स मीन्स अक्वायर बाय फोर्स, कि वो अमेरिका जो कोशिश कर रहा था कि वो ब्रिटिश कॉमनवेल्थ को ज़बरदस्ती कब्ज़े कर ले, उसका तो हम उसके बारे में तो हम भूल ही गए, वी फॉरगॉट अबाउट इट. That was by the Lord, so we did. True. Well, that's a good one. Ha. And he goes out laughing heartily. So Magnus, they don't take it in Lizzie, not one bit. That is, they don't understand. It is as if another planet were crashing into us. In other words, they don't understand the seriousness of the situation. It is as if another planet. And what is the other planet here? USA, United States of America. It is a huge threat and it may crash into us any day. The kingdom and the power and the glory will pass from us and leave us naked. Naked means exposed, face to face with our real selves at last. Means the original English people. There were no one like them. Nowadays, men all over the world are as much alike as hotel dinners. Just as आप कहीं चले जाइएगा खाना एक जैसा मिलता है बेस्वादा, वैसे ही दुनिया में कहीं पे भी चले जाइएगा the people are the same. It is no use pretending that the America of George Washington, one of the first presidents of America, is going to swallow up the England of Queen Anne, one of the old queens of England. The America of George Washington is as dead as Queen Anne's. As I said, George Washington was ex-president of USA and Queen Anne was an old queen. So just as George Washington is dead, so is Queen Anne. What they call America is only a wop pretending to be a pilgrim father. In other words, a wop means a pretender जो केवल दिखावा कर रहा है. He is no more Uncle Jonathan than you are John Bull. In other words, दूसरे शब्दों में, Americans today are not what they used to be. आज के जो Americans हैं वो वैसे नहीं हैं जो वो किसी ज़माने में, पुराने ज़माने में हुआ करते थे. Magnus, yes, we live in a world of wops. यानी कि people who pretend, जो केवल दिखावा करते हैं, all melting into one another. And when all the frontiers are down, frontiers यानी कि boundaries, और जब सारी boundaries ख़त्म हो जाती हैं, जब दुनिया एक हो जाएगी, when all the frontiers are down, London may be outvoted by Tennessee. Now London is the capital of England and Tennessee is a town in USA. हो सकता है जो अभी उस समय जो करंट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अमेरिका थे, बॉसफील्ड, he may have belonged to Tennessee. So London will be taken over by Tennessee and all the other places where we still madly teach our children the mentality of an 18th century village school. यानी कि पूरे लंदन देश अमेरिका के कब्ज़े में आ जाएगा. और अभी तक जो हम स्कूलों में बच्चों को इंग्लैंड की हिस्ट्री पढ़ाते हैं, अब वहाँ पर अमेरिका की हिस्ट्री पढ़ाई जाएगी. तो लाइसेंस टाटा कहती हैं, शी वॉज अ टीचर, रिमेंबर, नेवर फियर सर, डोंट वरी सर, इट इज़ नॉट द मोस्ट इग्नोरेंट नेशनल क्राउड दैट विल कम आउट ऑन टॉप बट द बेस्ट पावर स्टेशन. एंड द पावर स्टेशन इज़ इट इज़ हर डिपार्टमेंट. कि अल्टीमेटली जीत किसकी होगी? कि हमारी जो जनता है, जो बेवकूफ़ है और जो अज्ञानी है, इग्नोरेंट मीन्स नॉट नोइंग, उनकी जीत नहीं होगी. मैं दुनिया का बेस्ट पावर स्टेशन बनाऊंगी. for you can't do without power stations and you can't run देश को नहीं चला सकते else मजाक करना though you can run national this would have easily controlled breakages limited and tears come into her eyes. She's a very sensitive person. Magnus patting her consolingly on the back. उनकी पीठ थपथपाते हैं. That would have been splendid, wouldn't it? Splendid meaning wonderful. But I'm trying to the running of the government. ये जो सरकार चलाने का काम है तो यंगर मैन को ही सूट करता है. मैं बूढ़ा हो गया. Amanda taking her arm. Come home with me, dear. I will sing to you until you can't help laughing. Come. Lysistrata pockets her handkerchief, shakes the king's hands impulsively and goes with Amanda. The king plunges into deep thought. Presently, the queen comes back. Plunges into deep thought means गहरा सोच में डूब जाते हैं वो. The queen. Now Magnus, it is time to dress for dinner. चलो खाना खाने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. The English are very formal about it. And the English have to they change their clothes and बहुत formally dinner table पे आते हैं. That is the most important meal of the day. But Magnus is much disturbed. He's very worried. Oh, not now. I have something very big to think about. I don't. वो कहते हैं मुझे खाना नहीं. अगर तुम 7 बजे के बाद ज़्यादा देर तक सोचते रहोगे तो रात भर नींद नहीं आएगी. You won't be able to sleep. Magnus worried. But really, Jemima, the queen going to him and taking his arm. उनका हाथ पकड़ लेती हैं वो. Now. Don't be naughty. I must not be late for dinner. Come on like a good little boy. She's dealing with him like a mother with a child. जैसे माँ होती है ना, बच्चे को पुचकारती है और खाना खिला दे. Allows himself to be led away. वाइफ के साथ अंदर चले जाते हैं. Of